I'm recording a YouTube video today, which is just fun. Yeah. I'm just knocking them off the list. I love it. We have an exciting time. We're going to finally put film in this camera that I bought film for months ago. Been doing a little bit of filming for video. I'm going to play tennis, and then we're having church, so busy day. And one thing, I have a little bit of time before I go for tennis. And one thing that I've been noticing on my Squarespace website is that sometimes my blocks seem like they're overlapping, especially when you get the screens. Like if you shrink the screen down. So I finally just YouTubed it, and guess what? I can fix it myself. And so I think today that's what I'm going to do for a little bit. All right, now we're going to check it and see, because I've worked on it. Oh my gosh. Well, did it fix it though? Did this fix it? Looking better. Okay, I think I finally got it. Let's take it all the way over here, smush it up. This I've got to fix. Well, this up here, this text I've got to fix, but we're doing significantly better. Got the real blood, sweat, and tears here on this videographer does. It's a little windy out here. We are out for confirmation. I'm hungry. And here's Dad. Look at there. What about that for timing? He just got everything loaded up.
Yeah.
What do you think about my shirt?
Water, every drop counts. Oh, please. Please.
Well, looky here.
It was on sale. They had a bunch
Oh,
of them.
boy.
I didn't know if you were still eating them.
Yeah, I still eat them all the
Oh,
time.
man, I should have got a bunch.
That's
Me and Laura sent me things on my calendar.
oh, yeah.
I had 2 months worth of it.
Yeah.
And then, and I had my calendar hung up there. And I didn't get to see it. Nothing. But I'm saving it as a memento.
Yeah, because, I mean, this is the
Yeah.
one where he died, so.